What would make me part with my beloved RF24-105mm F2.8 IS USM lens? How about 2.8? The Canon RF24-105 F2.8 IS USM Z lens is here. Canon has finally done it, and today I get to give it a test run. Hi everyone, I'm Canon Explorer of Light, Lindsay Adler, and today I'm thrilled to shoot with the newest addition to the RF lineup of lenses. Canon has done something that no other lens manufacturer has. They've finally created a 24-105 that is an f2.8 constant. This is exactly what I and other photographers have been hoping for decades, literally for decades. And during today's shoot, I'm going to put this new lens to the test during a personal branding portrait session with my beautiful subject, Amy. Amy is a board-certified nurse practitioner and she works in cosmetic dermatology. And so what we're going to do is we're going to give her a complete visual rebrand. And I'm excited because I have one lens that is going to give me a fantastic range of focal lengths, tack-sharp image quality, and also a beautiful narrow depth of field. All right, so first, let me tell you a little bit about how and what I shoot. I'm a portrait and commercial photographer, which means one day I may be shooting social media images for a handbag company, then on another day I'm shooting a book cover for a powerful businesswoman, and then on another day I'm shooting a skincare campaign. In other words, I shoot a lot of different subject matter. When I shoot, I like to move quickly, and that's one of the reasons I love the 24-105mm focal length. I don't have to keep switching lenses. I can get a wide angle shot at 24 millimeters. I can pop in, get a full length or a mid-length shot at 50 millimeters, and then a head and shoulder shot at 105 millimeters. This lens keeps pace with the way I shoot, which is great when I have dozens of different shots that I have to get in a single day. When I go on location, however, you usually find that I leave behind my RF 24-105mm F4.0, I leave it in the studio. And instead I grab my RF 24-70mm 2.8 because I love that narrow depth of field. I like to be able to simplify my background on location. I'd like to be able to shoot in lower lighting situations. But recently I was on a campaign shoot and I was shooting the 24-105 4.0 and then the RF 24-70 2.8, and I was going back and forth between the two, and I realized the 24-70 was actually a little bit sharper. So I had to make a decision. Was I willing to sacrifice my range of focal lengths and that convenience in order to get an extra stop of light and more sharpness? What's wonderful is now I don't have to decide. So what else should you know about this brand new lens? It has incredible tack-sharp image quality, which of course is to be expected with the Canon RF lineup of lenses. For those of you interested in capturing video, the lens also has a brand new capability. It provides you the ability to manually adjust the aperture on the lens, and this is a feature previously not seen in RF or EF lenses. And for you lovers of the RF 28-70 f2.0, now you can get more range, but also have a beautiful wide aperture. This new lens is similar in weight to the traditional EF 70-200 f2.8 lens. It's not a light lens for sure, but there is a lot packed into it. For this personal branding session, I grabbed the Canon R5, and when I was shooting in low light, this lens and camera combo made it a breeze. Pairing its image stabilization along with the R5's electronic viewfinder and face and eye tracking, I could shoot wide open, in low light, and get tack-sharp focus. This is truly the lens that I've been hoping for ever since I started shooting with a 24-105 focal length almost 2 decades ago. I always loved the range, but now I can also love the aperture, the depth of field. It's like having multiple lenses in one, so now I can pare down my kit, but I don't have to sacrifice anything. It looks like I have a new favorite lens. And these images, they speak for themselves, but I love the convenience, the sharpness, and the aperture. These are all things that I've been hoping for.